After coming back from the Middle East, one thing that I have not found decent in Goa is a good shawarma. So, okay, first of all, before I start, let me show this to all the people who think Goa is dead. This is Anjuna. Today is the 2nd of May and it is jam packed. Okay, there are so many tourists. I just came back from Kalangut and it was a mess. Anyway, I've come to Anjuna. Yes, it's one of the last places that you would imagine I would get a good shawarma, but then the reels on Instagram say so. So let's go and find out if we can grab a good shawarma with tom. That's called garlic sauce. Okay, I don't want mayo in the shawarma, I want tom. So let's go and see if we can get those authentic Middle Eastern flavors. So that's where we want to go, falafel and shawarma ko. But before we get in there, I have to cross the road, and it's going to be a task because there's traffic on this road. There's usually not a lot of traffic, but yes, like I said, there are a lot of tourists in Goa. Alright, so let's go inside and find out. The claims on Instagram say that these guys have very good shawarma. Let's go and find out. So I've walked in and it's an enclosed space, quite a small space, and I've got the menu. So these guys are busy, preparing the shawarma because they have heaps of chicken on the shawarma machine that is going to get cooked, and they're going to prepare it. So meanwhile, let me show you what's there on the menu. Not a lot. These are different combos: shawarma meal, chicken shawarma, fries, coke, loaded fries, and the rates look pretty decent as well. And these are the mains, hummus, and then falafel, and then classic chicken shawarma. I have gone for this one. I hope you can see now because of the reflection. Okay, and these are extras. So I have taken the classic chicken shawarma for now, and I have told him, only if it's good then I'll order more stuff. And this one is the tom sauce. So this is the main stuff. Everyone puts mayo in their shawarmas, but I'm specifically looking for this. So there we go, guys. We got a classic shawarma, and this one here is the extra tom. So this is the garlic sauce that I was talking about, and to be honest with you, I'm so happy to see this here in Goa, especially because everyone uses mayonnaise in the shawarma, and it's such a turn off. Okay, finally we have our hands on this. It smells good already. Taste wise, I would say it is quite good. The chicken is crispy. I can taste the pickles inside. I can taste the tom inside, and it's quite good. But as compared to the shawarma in the Middle East, yes, it does. It's very close, but I would say it's not the exact same thing, because I've eaten a lot of different kind of shawarmas. I've eaten shawarmas from Syria, from Egypt, Lebanon, everywhere. But honestly, it's quite good as well. For 199, it's a good price. And it's way better than what you get outside. So I'm quite impressed, and I'm going to get some more stuff now. So this is the extra tom, and talking about the tom is perfect, just like you get in the Middle East. And if you have to ask me to rate this shawarma, I would rate it a solid 9 out of 10. Very nice. The only 1 point missing, the reason why I gave it 1 point less is because the pita bread was a little slightly crumbly. It wasn't holding together. Otherwise the taste and everything else was very good, and the chicken inside was a little bit on the crispy side, but that's okay. Some of us might like it crispy, some of us might not like it crispy. That's individual choice. Now I want to go in there and get their fries, some chicken fries I had seen on the menu. So let's go in there and get some fries. Now I got the opportunity to speak here. Look at this. So these guys were super busy because so many people, they come here and place their orders. In fact, there's one table that is sitting outside. Even I was seated outside, and this place here was full. So I've gone for the falafel balls with tahini. It will look something like that. Yeah. And besides that, because I like the shawarma so much, I have even taken 2 takeaways. And okay, here we go, I got it. And the other one is the chicken, what's the name? Loaded fries with chicken and spicy orange dip. So it's crispy right now. Let me just transfer this to the table. So look at the tables here, they are very creative. I like this concept, and there's nice place for seating here as well. So the falafel balls here look very crispy, feel very hot, and I like the shape of this. They've used that little device to shape it. Okay, so I have this sauce here, and besides that I have the toom as well. It's hot, but again very impressed with this one, just like how you get it in the Middle East, very similar flavors. And this one here is the tahini sauce. This one I think is made from sesame seeds, huh? Sesame seeds. This one is made from garlic. If you love garlic, you must try this stuff. So really enjoying these. If I have to describe this, these are like pakoras in India, but the Arabic version. Okay, now let's go for this dip here. Very nice, guys. After a long time I've got a meal that is very close to what you get in the Middle East. Feels so satisfying, so good, and the crunch on the outside, soft inside, is perfect. Now I'm waiting for the chicken fries. It's getting prepared here. This is the chicken along with the fries. So he's going to dress this really well with some sauce here. Yeah, so this is the sauce that he's using. This is supposed to be some spicy sauce, but I really like the quantity on this one. Look at this, looks so tempting. So there's this little wooden spoon here, so let's get a little bit of the chicken and the fries and taste this. The chicken and the fries, chicken is crispy, fries are crunchy, crispy, everything what you'd want in this, but I need some time to describe the sauce. So it's something very unique, something that I haven't tasted before, but it's very similar to like a peri peri kind of a sauce. There is a hint of garlic for sure. I can taste some peppers. Really nice flavors. The flavors do kick in a little later, but it's very impressive, guys. If you want something that is satisfying, that is filling, that is rich, this is a good option. So overall, if you ask me, I'm very satisfied with what I've had today. And the other thing is, instead of ordering on Swiggy, it's better if you come here and have all this stuff, because when you order on Swiggy, it gets a little soggy. It's crunchy, crispy, and very nice over here. Here's the total bill that I have paid, and these guys were very kind and helpful. They gave me a little bit of a discount as well for posting a video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Until the next one, take care, stay safe, and stay positive.